In this video, I'm going to show you how to grow microgreens like alfalfa and red clover in your very own kitchen. Growing your own microgreens is a great way of getting additional nutrition into your diet. It turns out it's really simple to grow at home and you only have to wait 2 weeks for a first harvest. First, you're going to need some seeds. While I'm sure you could save your own, it's cheap and easy enough to collect them in bags like these. So if you're just starting out, this is probably a good place to begin. For this method, you're going to need 2 seed trays, one with and one without holes in the bottom. I'll put a link in the description below. Now it's time to sow some seeds. You should add your growing medium to the tray with holes in it. I'm using 100% coconut coir because it's sterile, so there won't be any mould problems, and all of the plants will derive their energy from the seed, so they don't need any nutrition at all from the soil. So coconut coir is a perfect growing medium. If you're using coco coir, then take your block and add boiling water to it, and let it cool down before putting it in the seed tray. We want to more or less fill the tray and make a level surface. You can use a tamper for this, or you could just use the back of your hands. Then scatter the seed on the coir. You don't want it to be too dense, so imagine that all of these seeds will germinate. They might not, but just imagine it. It doesn't matter too much if you get this wrong, but the goal is not to overcrowd so as to slow down growth or to waste any seed. I very much got this wrong my first go, but I think you get this better with time. Now, to maximise germination, we want to achieve good contact between the seeds and the growing medium. That means either using a tamper again to press down the seeds, or to do a light sprinkling of coir over the top. Some people will recommend that you apply a weight to the seeds to force that contact with the soil, and they'll use a seed tray often to do this, but I'd rather use my seed tray for more crops. If you're going to use a tamper method, then you'll also want to use a humidity dome or a propagator lid to ensure that the humidity stays high around the seed, so just gently place that on top. Now the only thing left to do is to water the seeds. I recommend that you bottom water so that the seeds aren't disturbed and that good contact is maintained. That means taking your second tray, the one without holes in it, and adding water, and then placing the first tray in that. Now I'll come back in 30 minutes and remove any excess water. Then place your seeds in a dark, warm place. I find on top of the kitchen cupboards does the trick for me. In a couple of days' time, you should see some germination, at which point remove the propagator lid to allow air to return to the seedlings, and take the tray and place it in front of a bright window. For red clover and alfalfa, just leave the trays here for 2 weeks and you should be ready for your first harvest. If you can remove all the plant matter from the coco coir, then you could reuse that as a growing medium for future crops, especially if you process it again with boiling water. This is why coir is such a good growing medium, and I use it for basically all of my crops. In this video here, I also talk about the other benefits of coco coir, so check that one out. And do gently tamp the like button to let me know if you like this video. It really helps me figure out what kind of videos I should make for you guys. Otherwise, see you next time, and happy gardening.